I'm in this 2015 Nissan Rogue, and one of the problems is with the air conditioning in that the compressor seems to run all the time, even when it's in manual mode. So I have a scanner hooked up right now, and I'm looking at the air conditioning signal and the relay. They are both off. Now, the last mode that the HVAC was in was full manual. So if I just turn this on, and we're at 79 degrees, we have the air being shown to force to the foot. The fan's coming up. The AC button is not depressed, and the auto button is not depressed. So they're both off, and we are manual mode, asking for heat at 79. Yet we go back to the scanner. Again, air conditioning signal and air conditioning relay, and they are both on. In the manual mode, these things should definitely not be on when we're asking for heat and we're not in automatic mode. So I'll turn it off, then these switch back to off, and then let's try auto. Go to auto, and then it'll make its selection, and again, the compressor is on automatically. Now if I switch to manual just by hitting one of the mode buttons, we'll go to where you got air coming out of the register, and the bottom, auto is off, AC is off, but yet we come over here, the compressor signals are on from the computer, and then if we go out and actually double check that the compressor is running, we look down here, right down there, you can see the compressor clutch is in fact running. So the compressor clutch is running when it shouldn't be, because we're in the manual mode. And what happens with this is that the cabin starts to cool when you're not expecting it to cool. So you have air conditioning operating, and it's actually making the temperature in the vehicle cooler than is expected. It should not be operating this way.